Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're waiting for latest video. So guys, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet dog sweater ideas. Different designing, mind-blowing pattern, fabulous crocheting work, handmade knitting variety, beautiful bow tie style. Some are simple and some are beautiful button-up style, hooded style. Most demanding crochet collection. Beautiful designing. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Beautiful designing, and you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet dog sweater ideas. Some are light color, some are dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, different designing, different pattern. And fabulous crocheting work. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. And good comment section. You can ask me in comment section what do you want next more about crochet collection. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.